welcome back. I have another quarantine craft today. I've been doing a series of videos showing you projects you can do with your kids using items you already have at home. We're all looking for ways to entertain the little ones, and we're not going out shopping for craft supplies, are we? So this is a really cute castle project that you can make a variety of ways. You can really customize this. I'm going to show you what we're using. So what you're going to need for this project is a bigger box and a smaller box. So I've got this muffin box, and this is held like tea bags. A shoe box would work really perfect. And then you're gonna need some paper towel rolls and a toilet paper roll, and then a mix of other things. So to decorate this, we're gonna use some craft paint, some construction paper. You don't need those things though. If you don't have craft paint, you could cover your box with construction paper or even printer paper. We're gonna try to make ours look like Cinderella's castle from the Magic Kingdom. So we're going with gray and blue. I'm gonna show you how we do it. Really easy. Okay, so this is what it looks like so we've got 4 paper towel rolls. I did the big box on the bottom. The smaller box, I used my hot glue gun. You could use super glue, craft glue, whatever you have. So that's the basic structure. We're gonna paint it now gray again to look like Cinderella's castle, and then I'm gonna use construction paper to do like the pointed parts. You'll see, but from here on out, it's really just decorating. So this is what we came up with. We've painted it gray. I didn't have the exact color gray I wanted, so I used this darker gray and mixed it with some cream here. Again, I used what I had. And now I'm making the little, would you call these spires? I don't know. This is construction paper. So the way you make those is just take a piece of paper like this. It's construction paper, and you want it in sort of that shape. And then you can roll it up, and then plop it on. We're gonna attach it with some more hot glue, and then I'm gonna decorate the outside with like some Sharpie probably, maybe draw a few bricks. We're gonna need a little door, and I'm gonna figure out how to put a clock on here because it's Cinderella's castle. We're gonna need a clock to tell us when it's midnight. All right guys, this is the finished product. I love it. So I drew just like a little clock here on some white construction paper, and I drew just like little brick shapes. This is a piece of black construction paper here, really cute. And so now my daughter's really anxious to play with it. I'm gonna let her go to town, put it in her room. And like I said, this is so customizable. You could do a frozen castle, whatever colors you have. It could be green, whatever. You know, let your kids use their imagination. Just a really simple way to use what you have at home. I hope you guys liked this. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos. I'm doing videos every single week, kind of in this theme. Stuff you can do at home. We're all going a little stir crazy. So I'm trying to just give you some ideas to inspire you to go and make these projects your own. Thank you guys so much for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.